Imagine the possibilities of living anywhere in Africa while your bank account grows with dollars or euros. This isn't a dream, it's the reality of freelance freedom. An era where geographical boundaries don't dictate your income, but your skills and determination do. Afro shines as your beacon in this exciting journey, guiding you through the intricacies of the freelance world from an African perspective. Our channel is dedicated to unlocking the potential within you, showing you the ropes of thriving in a global marketplace from the comfort of your home. The global gig economy is booming, presenting unprecedented opportunities for talented individuals worldwide. Africa, with its rich pool of talent, is rapidly ascending the ranks in this gig economy. This surge is not just reshaping the continent's workforce landscape, it's rewriting the rules of employment and income generation. Within this burgeoning economy, African freelancers are carving their names in gold. Their success stories are not just inspiring, they serve as a testament to what is achievable when talent meets opportunity. From tech wizards to creative maestros, these individuals are redefining success on their terms. Freelancing offers a buffet of advantages, chief among them being flexible hours and international exposure. This mode of work not only allows you to choose when and how much you work, but also opens the doors to the global market right from your African residence. Exploring the right freelance platforms is crucial for African freelancers aiming to make an international impact. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are known for their inclusivity, offering a diverse range of projects that cater to various skill sets. Creating an attractive profile on these platforms involves more than just listing your skills. It's about selling your unique story and expertise. Highlighting your successes and tailoring your profile to showcase your abilities in the best light will set you apart. Building a strong portfolio is another key step. It's the tangible evidence of your capabilities and creativity. By selectively including your best work, you demonstrate not only your skill level but also your ability to deliver on client expectations. Setting competitive yet fair pricing for your services can be a delicate balance. Researching what others in your field charge and considering your experience level will guide you in establishing rates that reflect your value without undercutting your worth. Managing international payments is a common obstacle for many African freelancers. Leveraging platforms like PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfers can ease this process. It's important to understand the fees involved and the exchange rates to ensure you get your full earnings. Effective communication is key when dealing with global clients. It bridges cultural and time zone differences, ensuring your freelance services are clearly understood and appreciated. Always clarify project requirements and maintain regular updates to build trust and reliability. Navigating the in-demand skills landscape is crucial for staying ahead in the freelance market. Research and invest time in learning skills like digital marketing, web development, or graphic design. Online courses and tutorials are invaluable resources for skill acquisition and enhancement. Overcoming challenges such as internet connectivity issues is part of the freelance journey in Africa. Solutions include investing in reliable internet backup options and scheduling tasks during peak connection times. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions and maintains client confidence. Networking and building a community play pivotal roles in freelancing success. Joining online forums, attending webinars, and connecting with fellow freelancers can provide support, share opportunities, and offer valuable advice. Remember, a strong network is a lifeline in the freelance world. Balancing multiple clients and projects requires excellent time management and organization skills. Use tools and software to keep track of deadlines and commitments. Setting clear boundaries and priorities ensures high-quality work while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Navigating the legalities of freelancing in Africa demands awareness, especially regarding taxes and contracts. Understanding local tax laws and international contract standards can protect you against future disputes, ensuring a smoother freelance journey. Continuous learning and skill improvement are pivotal for staying competitive in the freelancing world. Leveraging online courses, webinars, and community forums for knowledge exchange can keep you ahead of the curve, making you more attractive to international clients. Transitioning from part-time to full-time freelancing is a significant step that requires careful planning. It's about understanding your financial runway and having a solid client base to ensure stability. Gradually increasing your freelancing commitments can make this transition smoother. The future of freelancing is bright, with trends leaning towards more specialized skills and remote work. Africans can prepare by honing niche skills that are in high demand globally, staying adaptable, and leveraging technology to stay connected and relevant. Discipline and self-motivation are the bedrock of freelancing success. Setting a structured routine, creating a dedicated workspace, and using productivity tools can help maintain focus and efficiency, ensuring you meet your goals and satisfy your clients. For more insights on thriving in the global gig economy from an African perspective, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications. Your journey towards freelance freedom starts right here, right now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, with Afro Guider, you're never navigating the path to freelance success alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video, where your freelance dreams continue to take flight.